welcome back. In today's menu, we have the tastiest no-fry cauliflower wings. Stay tuned. These cauliflower bites are really yummy and they're very flavorful because the sauce that we are going to make is a blend of all the 6 different flavor profiles: sweet, spicy, sour, salty, bitter and umami. This, as usual, is a quick, versatile and easy recipe to make, and most importantly, there is no deep frying involved. As usual, watch the video right to the end for my pro tip and check out my website and social media pages for more interesting content. Of course, subscribe to my channel too. Thank you. Let's get started. To a mixing bowl, add 1/3 cup of corn flour and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. If you are gluten-free, use arrowroot flour instead of the all-purpose flour. Now add 2 pinches of salt and start adding water to slowly combine the flours together to form a runny but thick batter. I prefer to use a whisk or blender because it makes it easy to combine the flours without actually having any solid bits in it here and there. The batter should be nice and smooth like this. Next, let's cut our cauliflower into little wings. I'm using a medium-sized cauliflower. Just cut along the stalks in such a way that you get whole florets like this, rather than roughly chopping through the cauliflower. When you cut it into whole florets like this, it is great for aesthetics and it gives that characteristic wing-like appearance. Add the cauliflower wings to the batter. I'm going to use an air fryer to air fry them. You can also bake them in the oven, or you can go traditionally and deep fry them too if that's what you want to do, but I don't prefer to do that. I'm using the air fry mode on my air fryer. We are going to air fry at 180 degrees centigrade for 16 to 18 minutes. That is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I am not going to add any oil at all. You can also bake the cauliflower wings in the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 16 to 18 minutes, but somehow the air fryer gives better results. Follow the instructions on your air fryer. My air fryer is directing me to turn the food, which I did. You could add a few drops of oil at this stage if you want. Give a shake and then put everything back in. If you are using the oven, however, let me give you a tip. Place the cauliflower wings on a rack with a tray below to collect any dripping batter and add some oil to get a crispier result. I'm going to mince a small piece of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic and 2 mild green chilies. To a frying pan, add half a teaspoon of sesame oil, then add the minced ginger, garlic and chilies. Just saute them for about 20 to 30 seconds. I actually minced mine in a mini chopper because it's pretty quick and easy that way. Keep a heat to very low and add the sauces. Add 1 tablespoon red chili sauce. I used sriracha sauce. Add 1 tablespoon green chili sauce. I couldn't get hold of green chili sauce, so I used jalapeno sauce. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and if you are gluten-free, use tamari. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and then half to 1 tablespoon of honey, which should be runny. Grate in some lemon zest for added vitamin C and also the bitterness. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or juice from half of a large lemon roughly. Give everything a mix, then add in the air-fried cauliflower and coat them in the sauce. They get gooey, sticky and yummy! Time to plate up. I have removed the cauliflower wings coated in a flavorful sauce to a bowl, and then I'm going to top up with some sesame seeds for that added extra nutrition, and then I'm going to sprinkle with some chopped spring onions. You can also use herbs like coriander or mint for that added antioxidant value. Top up with some nicely sliced lovely red chilies. Make sure you remove the seeds and then a side of vegetables. More veggies, more fun, right? Voila! No fry, tastiest cauliflower wings are now ready to enjoy. So I hope you enjoy making these cauliflower wings. Actually, they're yummy and they're great as a party starter. Every time it turns up on our party menu, I get loads of compliments. Okay, time for a pro tip. In our pro tip today, we'll talk about cauliflower. Cauliflower belongs to a group of vegetables called cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables include vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, kale, bok choy, mustard greens, radish. Now, it's a great idea to include one of these vegetables from the cruciferous family every day in our diet because they contain sulforaphane, which is a compound that has amazing anti-cancer properties. for maximum production of sulforaphan. However, it is important that you chop or cut these vegetables and leave them lying around for 35 to 40 minutes before you actually cook them to get maximum benefits. So go ahead and include these vegetables in your diet on a daily basis. This is Vishwa signing off for Feed Your Body, Mind and Soul. Stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.